Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to record and edit a voiceover in CapCut. Let's get started. First, launch CapCut and open the video project where you want to add the voiceover. Make sure nothing is selected on the timeline. Tap audio at the bottom of the screen. Scroll until you find record and tap it. Then move the playhead to where you want the voiceover to begin, whether at the start or halfway through in the video. Then tap the microphone button to begin recording. Allow microphone access if prompted. A short countdown will appear, then start speaking. Tap the mic again to stop recording. Once recorded, your voice will appear at the audio clip in the timeline. Here, you can split, trim, or delete unwanted sections. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.